Understanding Fret Over Something, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that often puzzles learners: fret over something. Understanding this phrase can help you express feelings of worry or concern more naturally in English. So, let's break it down together and shed some light on how and when to use it. Stick around to become more fluent and confident in your English conversations. To fret over something means to worry or be anxious about something, often unnecessarily or to an excessive degree. The word fret itself refers to a state of being worried or uneasy. When we add over something to it, we're specifying what is causing this worry. It's a phrase that perfectly captures the essence of worrying about things, big or small, that might not even warrant such concern. To better understand how to use fret over something, let's look at some examples. She always frets over her exams, even though she studies hard and usually does well. There's no need to fret over the details of the party. What's important is that everyone has a good time. I spent the whole night fretting over whether I made the right decision or not. These examples show how fret over something can be used in different contexts to express worry or concern about various matters. Understanding when to use fret over something can help you communicate your feelings more accurately. This phrase is particularly useful in situations where you want to convey a sense of worry or anxiety about something that is uncertain or out of your control. It's also a gentle way to express concern for someone else's worries. However, it's important to use it in appropriate contexts to avoid implying that someone's concerns are trivial or unwarranted. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, fret over something. We hope this video has clarified its meaning and how you can use it in your everyday English. Remember, learning to express your feelings accurately is a key step in mastering a new language. Don't fret over making mistakes. It's all part of the learning process. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!